Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how to make chicken momos. So let's begin. Let's see the ingredients first. I have taken some minced chicken, chopped garlic, some black pepper powder, chopped cabbage, some soya sauce, salt to taste, green chilies, chopped garlic and chopped spring onion. Now let's see the mixture part. In goes a little oil, 200 grams of minced chicken or chicken keema, 3 to 4 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 2 to 3 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 1 green chili, 2 to 3 teaspoon of chopped spring onion, 3 to 4 teaspoon of chopped cabbage, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, some salt as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon of black soya sauce. Now give it a nice mix. Now the stuffing part is over. Let's move to the outer cover. For that we will need some refined flour, oil and salt. That's it. Take a bowl, add around 200 to 250 grams of refined flour. You can also add wheat flour if you like, 50-50%. Salt to taste. Some oil, now add some water and make a soft dough out of it. This is how the dough should look after mixing it well, and it should not stick to your hands, it should not be sticky. We have to keep it aside for around 30 to 40 minutes. That's it. Now we have to make a very thin sheet of the dough. We will need it for the outer covering. Here the shape does not matter at all. You will come to know why. Only the thickness matters. The sheet should not be very thick. It should be very thin, because if you make a thick sheet, then it will not taste good when we are making the momos. Now take a bowl with a very sharp edges and press it on the sheet. You can make around 4 to 5 out of one sheet at a time. So this is how it will look. And if you want, you can also try a different shape or different size as per your preference. Now let's see how to stuff the momos. Please don't overstuff the momos, otherwise the stuffing may come out. This is how it is to be done. It is very simple, and this is how it will look once it's ready. Let's see one more. Now you can make any shape which you like, but this particular shape can take in a lot of stuffing, So this is the shape which I will prefer. Now we have to repeat the same process for all the other momos as well. So let's do it quickly. Now let's steam the momos. We are using a very simple setup, no steamer and nothing. Let's make a small bed of the cabbage leaves so that the momos won't stick to the base. Now let's brush the momos with a little water. Basically we are doing this so that the momos won't get dry while steaming. Cover the lid and steam it for around 15 to 20 minutes over low flame, and that's it. The momos are ready. Now enjoy the momos with Szechuan sauce. I have also made a video on how to make Szechuan sauce. You can find it on the top right corner of your screen. Just click it and enjoy the momos.